Fine, let me go with the problem number 34 here. In what time a train whose length is 100 meter moving with a speed of 60 km per hour crosses a platform whose length is 150 meter? Right, it is distance and time problem, or distance and time and distance problem, right? Here what they have given here, let us list out that. Length of the train they have given, length of train is equal to 100 meter, correct, and then they have given length of the platform is 150 meter, and they have given speed is equal to 60 km per hour they have given. Now by observing this, see, you can check out there is a difference in units. This is in terms of, they have given in terms of meter, and this is in terms of kilometer per hour. So we need to convert this into meter per second, right? You know how to convert meter per second, that is 60 km per second. If you multiply by 5 by 18, you are going to get, this is in terms of meter per second, right? You have to recall this, or otherwise what you can do is 60 into that is kilometer. 1 kilometer is equal to how many meter, that you need to substitute, divided by 1 hour is equal to how many seconds, you need to substitute, you are going to get this. Now simplify it here, right? How much you are going to get? This is going to be 6 3s are 6 10s are, that is 50 by 3 you are going to get, that is 50 by 3 meter per second. This is the speed of train in terms of meter per second. Now you know how to find the time, right? That is what we need to find. You know, that is speed is equal to distance by time. They have given speed, we need to find the time. So this equation becomes what? Time is equal to distance by speed. What is distance? So here we need to consider both the distance, that is distance of the train, the length of the train, and as well as length of the platform. Length of the train is 100 meter and the length of the platform is 150 meter. So that divided by speed of the train is what we calculated is 50 divided by 3. Now this become 100 plus 150, that is 250. So that divided by 50 by 3 again. So this will goes to the numerator of the numerator, that will become 250 into 3 divided by 50. Now simplify it. 0 0 5 1s are 5 5s are 5 3s are 15 seconds. The answer here is 15 seconds. Hope you understood, right? Thank you.